What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're going to show you how to get Android Auto or Apple CarPlay for any car that you want without actually knowing how to change your double DIN or this complicated stuff without opening anything on your car. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come, of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is a HD display for your car. You'll be able to get Android Auto, AirPlay, and Auto Link here as well, and iPlay. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you how well it does. Here we go. Packaging is not bad at all, as you can see here. Let's put this down like so. Power plug right there for the car. A little bit of a mount there. Massive actually. Another type of mount right there. A bunch of literature right there. Is this little cap of some sort, and the headphone aux in jack. There we go. Let's open up the display here. There we go. Quite a big display as well, as you can see there. Very nice. Has this little mount where you could adjust right there, and then this will just go on the back of the display like so. Not bad at all. And there's the other one right here. It also comes with 3M tape right there. And then this part is just swivels like so that you can adjust your display angle. And then you're just gonna mount your display like so on the back again. Pretty easy. And you're done. There we go. Pretty nice. So this is all the ports that it comes with. It has a USB-A, AV out, cam in, a TF card, which is a micro SD card, and a mic slot. And then there's also the DC slot right there. On top, it has the power on and off button. Now let's go ahead and mount this in our car. So this is the Carpuride 9-inch display, and as you could see, the touchscreen is very responsive. It has multiple settings as well that you can use. Everything is wireless. When you are connecting your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you don't need any wires at all. Just connect it via Bluetooth and you're ready to go. The only wires that should be sticking out of this display is the DC power plug and the aux in if you are using that. But there's also the other option where you can use the FM transmitter. So there should only be one wire, really a minimum here. If you are using an iPhone, you can also AirPlay videos on this. And the sound from the AirPlay or the Android Auto and also the Apple CarPlay is really good. If it's really bright out, it does fade a little bit, but it's still usable, as you can see here. Connecting to Android Auto is the same thing via Bluetooth. You're just gonna pair it to here, and as you can see, everything is wireless, ready to go. For Android users, there's the other option of Auto Link. We have to download the app for this though, but it is pretty cool. It's kind of like AirPlay, but you'll be able to control your device from the touchscreen of the Carpuride 9-inch screen. You'll be able to do the exact same thing, like playing videos on the screen and pretty much play games here as well. Now this is the best when you are doing road trips. It's really good because the people in the back will be able to see it as well because of this 9-inch screen. It's really big and it's pretty clear as well. It has great sounds, and you can use downloaded media on the micro SD cards as well. And then you can also plug in a backup camera on this as well. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new 9-inch screen by Carpuride. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.